Before I forget, and because I don't know how to edit videos, I did make a slight error here. This then 0 in our sequence, in our modified int value, in our participant, should actually connect to this branch right here instead of directly connecting to this set affection, because otherwise it will cause you problems, especially when you enter the dots here, where we're trying to set it to 0 instead of just adding 1. So I'm also going to change the set name ending. We're going to get rid of this dash and the space bars because we could just do it in our dialog. It makes more sense in my opinion that way. And I'm going to make them not caps, not capital K or capital S. So compile, save this, back in our dialog, add a space, dash, space between our name and our ending. Save that. If we hit play now, what is your name? Trash. Nice to meet you. Give gift. I appreciate it. Oh no, that's not working because our participant player name ending, our default value is still the dash with the capital S. Just get rid of those, make it lowercase s, compile, save again. Let's try that one more time. Trash, nice to meet you. Give gift. I appreciate Trash Son. Oh, my bad, I accidentally hit the third option. Wow. Give gift. Trash Son, Trash Son, Trash Coon. Alright. That's, yeah. But the important part was the connected to the branch. I really wanted to make sure I did not forget to mention that in the next video. Sorry about that, and then I'll see you in the next video.